Hey, I'm Emily with Modern Media Tech, and today I'm going to take you inside the MMT office space to show you a super fun new product we just had installed. Come on! Pardon the dust and noise. Our office is getting a well-deserved facelift. This is actually the second expansion we've had in the last year. And we're excited to show you all the behind-the-scenes work happening in the next few weeks. Hey Dante!
Hello.
Doing good?
Yep.
Good. But for now, I'm going to show you our latest obsession, GoldenTee. GoldenTee golf arcade consoles like this one can be found in tens of thousands of establishments around the world. We recently installed GoldenTee in our office for our staff to enjoy. It was a super simple install and has really been a fun way to bring everyone together, or even just take a quick break and decompress. Interested in adding a little nostalgia and fun to your space? Contact us at Modern Media Tech to get the latest edition of one of these amazing video arcades in your home or business. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and like and subscribe.